Hi, I'm Stephen Cocklow,
And I'm Bryce Raffle,
and we're the authors of The Littlest Dinosaur,
and today we're making
Littlest Dinosaur hatching puppets.
Here's what you'll need.
The downloadable printable template, which is available at littlestdinosaur.square.site.
You'll find the link in the description of the video.
You'll also need Popsicle Sticks, pencil crayons,
Scissors, and glue.
Are you ready to get started?
Let's get to it.
Let's start by coloring our printable template.
Carefully cut along the lines of the Littlest Dinosaur and the accompanying egg shapes.
Now glue the top half of the cracked egg onto the Littlest Dinosaur's head to give him his egg hat.
Take the lower half of the cracked egg and glue it onto the uncut back side of the egg, but only glue the sides. This will create a pocket on the bottom for the Littlest Dinosaur to hatch out of.
Carefully glue the Littlest Dinosaur onto the top of the popsicle stick.
Once everything is dry, your dinosaur should slide in and out of the egg. Pull down on the stick until the egg is fully closed, and then push it back up to reveal hatching dinosaur.
And we're all done!
Yay!
Wow, they look really good, guys. Good job.
Oh, guys!
Good
Yeah, look at it pop up. It's so cute.
Thank you.
Don't forget to share your creations with us on social media using hashtag Littlest Dinosaur Crafts and tag us at the Littlest Dinosaur Series.
We can't wait to see your adorable popsicle stick puppets in action.
And if you like this craft, you'll love the books.
You can order the books at littlestdinosaur.square.site. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.